got tomato, salmon, and some cheesy chicken. This is for my boyfriend's meal preps. And these thinner ones are for the chipotle bowls. Some black beans for the chipotle bowls, as well as corn. And I decided to try this one out and let you know how it goes. And this is for the salmon. Gonna put that. I just cooked 4 little strips of chicken, and I used avocado oil, some salt, pepper, some parsley, and some Italian seasoning. And now I'm just grilling my little corn in some butter, organic butter, some salt, some pepper, and some parsley. I also have some leftover Brussels sprouts that I'm going to be reheating. And that's my lunch for today. So guys, I recently went to Ulta, picked up a couple things. Got this little fluffy hair tie. It works so good. I might have overcooked the chicken a little bit. That's because I've never used those thin ass strips before. So next time I'll know. So cute. Comes with its own little sponge, and this formula works really good. So let me show you. Shine free. So I take this with me whenever I'm just going out and about. Take that with me. And it's a set plus smooth. So it really smooths out your face. It'll cover like your pores. And if you want to like apply a setting, setting spray over it. I also restocked my Nyx eyeliner. So my boyfriend's not here right now. That's why I'm filming this vlog. He's out watching the Astros game at the bar. That's what I'm wearing today, plus the individuals. I'm wearing 4 of the long ones, 2 on each side, and then 2 of the small ones. I put them kind of like in the middle. And this mascara claims to be smudge proof or waterproof and whatnot. It's pretty waterproof, but it's not smudge proof. So I also got these little hair clips. They're soft. They're not the like shiny kind. They're matte. And eyeliner. So this is how it applies. It's pretty thin. I really recommend this one. That liner was like $10. It's actually $9. At Target, they have it for $9.99. So I guess it's a little bit cheaper at Ulta. The clips were $9.60. And oh no, that's actually another clip. These little clips were $8.49. And then the scrunchie was $5. I got this cute little clip. That one was the one that was for $9.60. And I really liked it. And I bought these clips because, well, mainly these hair accessories, because I'm actually going blonde next week. So by the time I upload this vlog, I'll probably be blonde already. And I just thought they looked so cute on blonde hair. My best friend actually helped me pick these out. So my hair, I mean, it looks cute, you know, but for winter, these are gonna look super cute on my blonde hair. So excited. I also got this eyeliner. It's white. And it's a liquid eyeliner. I haven't tried it yet, but let's look at it. All right, so I don't know what I was expecting, but I was not expecting this formula. Oh my gosh, and I think it's old or something. It's kind of hard. It still paints pretty good. But yeah, I'm gonna try doing something with that. Probably for my next tutorial, I'll do a look with that eyeliner.
A minute on the lips, a lifetime on the hips.
But yeah, you guys, I'm just at the house chilling. I'm about to edit my other video.
It's not my party.
I forgot what the video was, but I will be uploading that this week. So yeah, guys, these are the items that I picked up from Ulta. Except for the eyeliner and the Fit Me. I actually got those from my mom because she was selling them, but you can find them at Ulta. So that's why it's in this little haul. So yeah, those are the items that I got.